This is the sound of the future. For years, we've been promised that a tablet could replace our laptop, our notebook, and our entertainment hub. In 2026, that promise has finally been kept. But by who? We gathered every flagship tablet, from Apple, Samsung, Microsoft, and the surprising new players, and pushed them to their absolute limits in real work, creative projects, and marathon streaming sessions. The battlefield has changed. The old king has been challenged. And a new victor has emerged, not just with power, but with a single feature that changes everything star. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaTab Pro TB373 FU Tablet. Enhance your academic journey with the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro, a state-of-the-art tablet designed to meet the needs of modern students. This sleek device is powered by the advanced MediaTek Dimensity processor, ensuring smooth performance whether you're studying for exams or enjoying your favorite shows. With the AI capabilities of Google Gemini, you can benefit from intelligent features that streamline your tasks and enhance your learning experience. The tablet features a stunning 12.7-inch 3K display, providing crisp visuals and vibrant colors that make reading textbooks, watching lectures, or browsing the web a truly immersive experience. Quad JBL speakers deliver exceptional sound quality, allowing you to enjoy clear audio during online classes or entertainment. With all-day battery life, the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro is designed for those long days in class or for when you want to relax without worrying about finding a charging outlet. Quick charging capabilities ensure you're back to full power in no time, keeping your device ready for whatever your day holds. Number 2. Apple iPad Air 11-inch. iPad Air stands out as a pinnacle of power and versatility, presenting users with a selection of 2 sizes tailored to different preferences and needs. At its core lies the revolutionary M3 chip, designed specifically for Apple Intelligence, promising unparalleled performance that elevates your productivity and creativity to new heights. The device boasts a stunning liquid retina display that not only enhances your viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp details but also ensures comfort with advanced features like True Tone and Promotion technology. The inclusion of Touch ID provides an added layer of security, allowing users to unlock their device and make secure payments with a simple touch. Advanced camera systems on the iPad Air empower users to capture high-quality images and videos effortlessly, making it an excellent tool for content creation. Coupled with blazing fast Wi-Fi 6E, you can experience seamless connectivity whether you're streaming, gaming, or video conferencing. Number 3. Apple iPad Pro 11-inch. The iPad Pro with the Apple M5 chip is engineered to provide unmatched performance, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to boost their productivity while enjoying an exquisite display. This device is built to handle professional workflows with ease, thanks to its incorporation of neural accelerators designed specifically for artificial intelligence tasks. The redesigned iPadOS introduces groundbreaking features that enhance the user experience, allowing for seamless multitasking and utilization of high-performance applications. When it comes to performance and storage capabilities, the iPad Pro with the M5 chip truly stands out. It offers next-generation processing speed coupled with the powerful capabilities of on-device AI, significantly improving the efficiency and effectiveness of everyday tasks. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The device is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, MT6991, processor that has 3 different clock speeds, 3.73 GHz as the maximum frequency, 3.3 GHz for enhanced performance, and a lower 2.4 GHz. The tablet is equipped with a robust Li-ion battery with a capacity of 11,600 mAh, providing extended usage time. It features a 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and anti-reflective properties, delivering a resolution of 2960 by 1848, WQXGA+. The physical dimensions of the main display are 369.9 mm in full rectangle format, while it measures 367.2 mm with rounded corners. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Family-sized fun, enjoying quality time has never been easier with the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, featuring a vibrant and engaging 11-inch display that captures the attention of everyone in the family. With a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, this device ensures that all your experiences, from streaming the latest movies to diving into exciting gaming sessions, are rendered smoothly and beautifully, making it an ideal companion for entertainment and family fun, especially for the kids who will love the interactive experience. Rich sound all around. Listen to your favorite music, watch your beloved shows, and immerse yourself in exhilarating games with exceptional sound clarity, all thanks to the quad speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is designed to provide a cinematic audio experience that elevates your entertainment to new heights, delivering rich, dynamic sound that truly brings your audio to life and ensures why. And that's the state of the tablet in 2026. No longer just a big phone, but a genuine computer replacement for the right person. All links to purchase our top picks, along with the best keyboard and stylus deals, are meticulously organized in the video description below. If this deep dive saved you from a $1,000 mistake or found you your perfect device, please hit that like button, it fuels our research. Share this with a student, artist, or professional in your life. And subscribe with the bell on, because next week we're revealing the foldable phone that survived our 30-day daily driver test. The results are unbelievable. Now, go create.